Welcome to the QuickSMS tutorial. Firstly, open QuickSMS from the shortcuts on your desktop. Then, we need to point QuickSMS at your SAMS data file so it can see your learners and their respective parents' correspondence numbers. Note that this step is a once-off. Once done, in future, you can simply click Check Settings. Click Browse to Data. In your Browse window, locate your SAMS data file and select it and click OK. Note that if you're a school that selects on this computer when opening SAMS, in other words your SAMS data file is stored locally on that machine only, then consult the Quick Suite manual on our website to see where to find it. As you can see below in the screenshot, this is traditionally in your C program files, Edusol SAMS data folder, but sometimes it can also be in the C username of your profile when logging on app data, local, virtual store, program files, Edusol SAMS data. Traditionally though, people tend to store their SAMS data file on their server. So you simply browse to the location of your SAMS data file on your server. Click Link to Database. Click Check Settings. Registration is covered in the installation tutorial. You need to register for each application, each Quick Suite application, as they can be used as standalones. You can also once again consult the Quick Suite user manual on our website to see how to register. However, it is very self-evident. Simply click Register and follow the prompts. Once you've entered your registration details, click Login. For specific instructions on what to do, click on Purchase Credits in the QuickSMS section. Now bring up your SMS system again. Enter your text message. Click Message Length to check the length of the message. The character limit is 165. In the Custom Sending tab, click Custom Groups. Drop the list down to select your custom group. Add members of the group selected. Click Add Groups if you want to add new groups. Add a new group. Assign a group ID, example 2. Refresh that screen and you will now see the new group active in your drop-down list. You can now add new members to the new group. Tick No Send if a particular member in the group does not need to receive the SMS. Click Send. One custom group message will be sent. Check your sent log. You will see your message in the sent log. The status in the sent log will tell you if the message has sent. Give the system a few minutes for the messages to send if they have not sent straight away. Click Clear Sent if you want to clear the sent log from time to time. Enter a message. Now select recipients as per the instructions below. You have various options to send to. For instance, you can send to the learner themselves. If the parents are married, then these options are mother and father. If not, then this is the main parent and step parent. These are only for divorced parents. These are second parent, i.e. not the main parent, and their spouse. If data is not present, they will be skipped. Choose whether you want a copy of the SMS to be sent to the author and/or the principal. Select the author of the SMS. Click Custom Learners to select recipients. Now select the learners from the drop-down list. Click Send once you have selected the learners you want. Once again, click your sent log to check that the messages are queued. Once again, type your message in. Now for preset group filters, click the Group Sending tab. Select a grade, for instance. Click OK to send to the selected recipients. Once again, check your sent log to see that the messages are queued. Alternatively, send to a specific register class. Or you can send to an academic set class. Type your message in here once again. Now, how to send to daily absentees. If you want to enter your own message, then uncheck the Use Generated Auto message. Then simply type in your message. Set the absent limit if you only want to apprise parents every X time a learner is absent as opposed to every time. Example, a limit of 3 would only apprise parents every third time a learner was absent. In the below example, there are 63 learners that have been absent today, where limit is set to 1, i.e. parents apprised every time a learner is absent. The system now tells you how many learners are set to be apprised of absenteeism. Or we could say 19 learners are absent for a third time today. Remember, if you fail to select a sending option, the system will prompt you. The system will send an SMS for each of the selections made where relevant to a learner, where there are contact numbers captured. Once again, check your sent log to see that the messages have been queued. Click Clear Sent for all sent messages to be cleared. Unsent messages will not be cleared. It is actually possible to receive SMSs too, although users tend to discourage replying by adding Do Not Reply to the SMSs they send. In order to check for incorrectly captured numbers, simply click the Learner, Parent, or Spouse cell buttons. Now, let's send SMSs to new applicants. Enter your message and then either send to all or a specific grade of new applicants. Choose your grade and click OK. That concludes the QuickSMS tutorial. Download QuickSMS as part of the Quick Suite of applications at frontofficeschools.com/QuickSuite for SAMS.